Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to listen Unit 1 English first chapter. See reading a letter to a friend. A letter to a friend. If you people at any time given a thought or thinking about childhood days, like picnic days, how you are enjoyed, at any time going outside or tours with your friends or with your parents or with your villages, do you remember the things happened that time? Or at any time from mango tree by streaming the mangoes and ran away from that mango tree. Do you experience that? Jumping over the walls when somebody is chasing us. This all are gives very thrill to us when we think about that silly things. Without telling to our parents, we go outside and we enjoy. These all things happen in our life generally. So, like the topic we discuss now, the topic here is a letter to a friend. The situation happened between the Ramesh and Suresh. Who are they? They are two friends. Ramesh writing letter to Suresh and sharing some things. Let us see. Before going to the letter, I will give overview of this lesson, outline of this lesson. In this lesson, text which is completely in the form of letter. In this text, we have only two characters. Of course, here we have only one mutual character and other character at somewhere name is just indicated. That person name is just indicated in this letter. So the guy who writing the letter lives in a town. He was writing the letter to his friend who living in village. Okay. He writes, he remembered all his childhood things. He remember all things what happened at his childhood. He remember he playing with his friends when he was a child, living with his grandparents in a village. He remembered all the things happened at childhood and how he was facing troubleness with busy life in town and how the village life is peaceful. All so he explained in the letter. So this letter bit positive and type of negatives on the basis of town and villages. Okay, let us start entering into the letter. All of you open your textbook and see page number 15. We all know how we can write letter. Here see all of you here right side of the page Hyderabad 12/11/2012. What is that date? 12/11/2012. What is the place? Hyderabad. Starting of letter, when we are writing letter to friend, what we need to write? Dear Suresh. Here dear friend. What is the name of the friend? Suresh. Dear Suresh. We already discussed at the first term. How many characters are there in this lesson? Only two characters are there. One is Suresh and another one is Ramesh. So Suresh, Ramesh writing the letter to the Suresh. So he mentioned dear Suresh. So now look into the letter. What is the body of the letter? So this is Ramesh. I apologize during your visit to Hyderabad last week. This is Ramesh. At first what we observe here, introduction. Who writing the letter? Who writing? Ramesh writing. So first of all, apologies. So what is the sense of apologies? Saying sorry. I am saying sorry not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad at last week. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. So here Ramesh explaining to his friend Suresh why he not meeting Suresh. Why? Because unfortunately he had a meeting in his office. Again Ramesh telling, I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. At childhood of Ramesh and Suresh, where they lives in Manikonda, and also Ramesh remember how they enjoyed their childhood days in Manikonda village. Every day we played together in our garden. Our family was very big. There were 12 members in our family. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Our grandma used to give us fruits and biscuits. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales about the princess, warriors, and the village boys. So here explain how they enjoyed they used to play together in their garden. And also in that family how many members are there? Dozen members are there. Here 12 means a dozen. Half dozen means 6 members. How many members are there here? 12 members are there. Already we discussed joint family and nuclear family. So which type of family this one? Joint family. And also they played under the moonlight, and also grandmother gives fruits and biscuits, and grandpa also tells tales. Tales means stories. Which type of stories? Fairy and fairy stories about princess and warriors and the village boys. Here who remembering all these things? Ramesh remembering all these things, and he was writing letter to Suresh. Coming to the next para. Now I am working at Microsoft as a computer programmer. I am married and we have a child. My wife works at Dell Hyderabad as a system analyst. Here he described about himself and his wife, where he was working in Microsoft software company at Hyderabad, and also he was a computer programmer, and also he was married. His wife works at Dell Hyderabad, system analyst. City life is quite busy. Start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center, and come back in the evening with faded faces. We hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting. We work with computers, think like computers, and live like computers. We have together forgotten our family. We have forgotten our family. So, when they start their life, they start at the morning and leave their children at where baby care center, and came back in the evening. How their faces very dull faces. Faded faces means very dull faces, and we hardly find time to gather sit. So there is no time to share communication. Also there is no. How disgusting. We work with computers and we think like computers and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. I remember how we played Jelly Danda means Karabilla, hide and seek means Dagudu Mutala, and Kabaddi. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog. The world remains unheeded. So at childhood they play all the games, Jelly Danda, hide and seek, and Kabaddi. So they went for swimming also, where local tank every Sunday. Here we lived in an apartment where there is no room for the playing, and also flat. Flat is their world, just like a welfare frog. They forgotten the world behind their apartment. Only they lives in the room only. We all see how the life of the apartments, who are living in the apartments, how their life we all know. Coming to the next para. How happy we are in our school, the same row, did all the work together and took part in the events. You daily in your class sit in the same row, and you sit daily behind of your best friend. So like that, and also you will share your work which given by teacher, or you do your own work by sharing with your friends. Like that he also did. Who was Ramesh, remembering his childhood days, how they sit in the classroom. Coming to the para. I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, our class teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. We all know about the science fair. We all are attending the science fairs also. Like that, he remembered when they got the first prize. Who appreciated Padmanabhaya sir? Appreciated them. Who are they? Ramesh and Suresh. Got appreciation from the class teacher for what? They got the first prize from the science fair, district science fair. And also I remember how we picnic to Koil Sagar. There we went boating. Our tour to Sri Sailam was rememberable. Still I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touched the sky. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. There is nothing here. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer and plays games, never caring for anyone. And he remembered about the picnic, where they went picnic Koli Sagar, and also tour, what is where they went the tour Sri Sailam, and what is the things remembered by him. The green hills full of trees that almost touched the sky. How the trees are very big and very long. And also I remember the roaring. Roaring means sound of the Krishna river at the dam. Roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. Roaring means sound. So there is nothing. Where? In the town. In the town there is nothing. And also how the child was very silent. He was always plays the games in a computer, never caring for anyone. Now you are doing with playing with your friends. No, you are playing the video games or PUBG games in your mobile phones. Like that, at the time they are using the computers to play the games. So he was worried about his child's silence. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He brought toys and fruits for us. Our aunt brought me a new dresses for Dasara. And also, Ramesh remembered about the Dasara vacation, how they celebrated, who brought the sweets and dresses, who brought aunt and uncle brought the dresses and fruits. How we enjoyed Diwali. Still, I hear the sound of crackers. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. Where are those days? My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbors are the same. Here mentioned, the Ramesh mentioned how they enjoyed Diwali also. And also for the child there is nothing Diwali celebrations for his child. And also only neighbors are the uncles and aunt for his child. Next, sometimes I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. We missed them. We missed the joy of the family. We missed their company. We missing many things in the busy life. Nowadays also so many children don't know about their grandparents, their uncles and aunts. Why? Because they are living in the nuclear family, so they are celebrating together them only, but they don't meet their relatives. So that's why they don't know about the uncles and aunt. But here Ramesh remembering all relatives, grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters, and also here mentioned we missed the joy of the family, we missed their company, we missing many things in the busy life. So next coming to the page number 16. All of you open the page number 16. All of you see. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone. Those fairy tales, those fruits, those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. So, Ramesh worried about all those things. What are the gardens and fairy tales and those fruits, those words of love and affection. So, we lost life in their unreal world. So finally he giving the conclusion. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Your loving friend Ramesh. So finally given conclusion about he was very happy and asked to Suresh, come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Your loving friend Ramesh. So like this, if you have the time, you also write to your friend one letter at any time. Okay, you remember your childhood days to write a letter. Nowadays we are not using the letters, so only you are using the WhatsApp like that, messengers like that. We have to use them. You are sharing your feelings with your friends. So hi bye like that, but you are not writing any sentence word also. So use some sentences and remember what's the things happened in your childhood days and write one letter to your friend. Okay, this is about this letter. Already we know in this chapter, in this lesson, what discussed about what we discussed. We know about the playing games, and we know about the tours, and we know about the picnics. Why? Because we experiences all those things, and also we know about the relations, relatives, also how you spend with your relatives and how you spend with when we go to the tours or like that. You have to write one letter to your friend. Okay, everyone must and should read this letter again and write one letter to your friend.